How to download songs for offline on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download songs for offline on Spotify. To download songs on Spotify, make sure that you have a premium account. If you don't have premium account, you can't download songs for offline on Spotify. Now let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Spotify application and search for the song you want to download. Once the song appears, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on the option that says Add to Playlist. Now name your playlist and create it. Now again come back to the home page and click on the Your Library option at the bottom right corner. Here click on the playlist that you just created and open it. Now here you can see different options, from which click on the download icon as shown by the arrow. And once you do that, your song will be downloaded and you can listen it on offline. So there you have it. I hope you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.